Hello there! Today we're going to be talking about finding the equation of a line, given a point on the line, and its slope. Now we're going to be doing this using just regular old y equals mx plus b, also known as slope-intercept form. A lot of people like to use something called point-slope form here, which makes perfect sense. If you're given the line's slope and a point on the line, then you can find the equation using point-slope form. But since most of the time your answers are expected to be put in y equals mx plus b, it's useful to know how to do this without having to go through different forms to get there. So then how do we do it? Well, you can see the steps on the screen here. To write the equation for the line that passes through a given point with a specific slope, we're first going to plug in the values from the point for x and y and the slope into y equals mx plus b. Then we'll multiply our m and our x, and then we'll add or subtract the product of that from y in order to get b by itself. Now that we have the steps down, why don't we go ahead and look at it in an example problem. As you can see, our first problem wants us to write the equation for the line that passes through 12, 5, and whose slope is 2/3. So m is 2/3, x is 12, and y is 5. According to our steps up above, we have to plug into the slope-intercept equation y equals mx plus b. So let's do just that. Our y value is equal to 5, m is 2/3, x from the point was 12, and then we don't know what b is, we're actually trying to find it. To multiply a whole number times a fraction, multiply the whole number times the numerator and then divide by the denominator. 12 times 2 is 24, divided by 3 gives us 8, and then plus b. To solve for b, we'll subtract 8 from both sides. The 8's here are going to cancel out, and then 5 minus 8 is equal to -3, so -3 is equal to b. This means that our final y equals mx plus b equation is y equals 2/3 x minus 3. There you have it. Plug into y equals mx plus b, solve for b, and then rewrite your equation. Let's try another problem. Our next example here gives us the point -1, 2 and slope of 4/5. So m is going to equal 4/5, x is -1, and y is 2. It's the same steps as before. Plug into the slope-intercept equation y equals mx plus b, and solve for b. In our situation, y is 2, m is 4/5, and x is -1. And so we'll evaluate. The 2 is going to stay the same, so we have 2 equals, -4 times 1 is -4, over 5. We can't divide that nicely, so we'll leave it as -4/5. To get b by itself, we have to add 4/5 to both sides. To add or subtract a whole number from a fraction, we're going to multiply the whole number times the denominator and then add or subtract the numerator from the product. So 2 times 5 is 10, plus 4 gives us 14 over 5, like we see right here. So b is equal to 14 over 5, and we can write our final equation. Y is equal to 4/5 x plus 14 over 5. And that's it. To find the equation of the line that passes through a point and has a specific slope, plug in the x and the y values from the point for y and x into y equals mx plus b, and do the same thing for m with the slope. Then solve for b. Once you have your b value, you can replace m and b into y equals mx plus b, and that'll be your final equation. Follow these steps and do your practice problems, and this will be very, very simple. Good luck, and I'll see you next time.